Okay, what's up, everyone? I decided on video, I'm gonna put in a new hard drive. Let me show you guys this new SSD. Here it is. I look, okay, I'm looking at the mirror. So, your boy is it this lens? Bro, this phone has three lenses. It's the middle one. Alright, so I'm putting in a new hard drive because this PC sucks. Am I I got my screwdriver. Okay, I gotta stop. So I go left. Yep, lefty loosey. So my dad, he's in IT, and he told me to get this SSD because it's a lot faster than this 2016 hard drive that I fucking got. Yeah, this PC is old, but it still goes fast. But it's gonna go even faster after this, hopefully. Okay, so pop this out. Boom. Okay. That's the hard drive. Boom. You see that? Are you fucking serious, dude? What the fuck? Like it don't even look right. It don't even look right. But I'm gonna just stick it in here just cause. You know. Actually, I don't know. Yeah, fuck it. I'm gonna just put it in there. I don't know if you guys can see that. I think I'll put it in here. Now, I don't know how I'm gonna screw this on. I don't think I'm gonna be able to. Which, I don't think you really need to. Shit's dusty as hell. So yeah, I can't. Yeah. So this goes. The small cable here goes in there, like so. Boom. And then this guy goes in the bigger boy. Make sure it's nice and tight. Whoa. Pause. Yeah. There's no way I can screw it on there. So it'll work. No problem. Hey, if it explodes, it explodes. Bro, what if it just fucking explodes, dude? Boom! A good thing I got it on camera just in case. Yeah, put this bitch on. What the fuck? Shit. You know what? Screw it. That was corny as fuck. Okay. Now we just test it. Now it's right there. What's up, dude? So, man. Bro, if this don't work, dude. Bro, what if it. Oh my god, what if it. Look at my cable management, baby. You like that? Yeah. You guys like my cable management? Shit, what you know about this cable management, dog? Shit. I can't even stick it in, bro. Go in, bro. Shit. Hey, it'll be a viral video if something happens. You know, I'm gonna put it there. This. Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy. What the fuck is your problem? Boom, bitch. Okay. The hell is this? And then last one. Oh God. Now we turn it on. Let's see. Oh shit. There it is. Will it explode? It's not making that loud ass noise. Every time I start up the piece, what the fuck? Press a key. Uh-oh. Hold up. It's working, dude. I'm installing Windows. I had to put in the fucking Windows stick. I put in the Windows 10 stick. And now, you know, it looks like it's working. So yeah, if you're getting the SSD, you gotta have a Windows stick. Just so you people don't know. Oh man, I can't believe this works. What the fuck? Bro, your boy's gonna be going fast. No more crashes. Nothing. Here I am, dude. Here I am. I feel like I just got a brand new computer. I'm here. Everything's gone. What the fuck? This is weird, dude. Alright, bro. Time to install some shit. Okay. Let's see how this is. If it says encoding overloaded, that's bullshit. I mean, right now it's pretty smooth, so. Dude. Holy shit.